Alright, here we are. Trusses are up. As you can see in the master bedroom, we got the vaulted ceiling. It comes up here. It's going to be a wall starting right here. The whole master will be vaulted. And so will the master bathroom. That'll be over here. Little shower window. Closet window. Two big 5-foot 5030s. Big 5060. And then two big 5060s right here. Here's the rest of the trusses. 8-foot ceilings back here on this side of the house. Oh, there's a bear! There's a bear in my house!
How you doing, Pop? Pops?
Thanks to Jeff for helping me out.
Papa Lee. Ain't nothing free.